I just got this LED light sound reactive from Walmart for around 11 bucks. Monster multicolor. Okay, let me try on my car first and see how it looks. So number 4 right here is the most sensitive to the music, like as you can see right here. Let me unplug it and put it back to see if it remember the mode. Okay, put it back. Nope, it doesn't remember the mode last time you used. Okay, so now I'm gonna try put this around my 55 inches TV. First, I recommend you turn the power off. If you leave on and put this USB on, it will somehow mess up the RAM of the TV. So first, turn the TV off. You don't have to cut the power, just turn it off. And plug to your USB port. And I read a lot of comment when they put around the corner like this, the adhesive not gonna stay no matter how they put on clean it. That's easy to understand because you can touch it. It's really smooth, and they put some kind of make this shiny, no, not shiny, make a matte look. So no matter how hard you try or you use different product, I guess it won't stay. Or I just saw on Amazon they have another model that you can tap it right here, and they have a connection to put it together. So when it comes to over here, you don't have to bend. You don't have to bend the LED, so it will stay. If you spend some extra more money for that new model, it may stay. But with this kind of LED model, I'm not gonna put on like that. I will try to go along and let it lay flat on the surface right here, and maybe go up and try to lay around the flap here, so I guess it will stay better.
So this is what I am doing. The heat still can go out from that vent. When this thing gets long, try to cut it, otherwise it's going to mess up on your way. So I'm going to cut right here and keep going. As you can see right here, I make a turn right here to avoid these ports. So just let it go naturally. Just let it go, just stick it, don't bend it or try to push it anywhere. It will make this fall off easy.
Alright, just finished. I have a little extra, but I don't care since nobody can see the back.
All the way here, still have a lot of extra. See? Okay, now I'm going to turn on TV and show you how it looks.
It doesn't remember the last mode you use. If you just turn it on, and it will do that immediately. You have to use the remote control. This is one of the bad thing I don't like about this. The rest is okay. It will look pretty nice. The wall and also the ceiling. I will show you. Like I said, the mode number 4 right here, the music mode number 4. Every time it hear the beat, it's gonna light up. And let me turn on and see how it beat to the music. And click play.
My speaker is next to the sensor, so really sensitive with the sound of it, everything. Very cool, right?
And like I said, if you do it my way, it's not gonna fall, and it will light up all the back, even the ceiling on the top. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.